Hi, Martyn here from Bike Ventures. I'm up on Beachy Head, famous Beachy Head, and we're looking at the Hygge Virum. So I'll just flip the camera around. So it's an electric folding bike, lightweight, only 18 kilograms. In this case, it's in the green, which looks really, really nice. It has hydraulic brakes, and here is the display with your power settings, really tidy. You see it's just literally up and down, different power. So yeah, very nice display there. Rear hub motor, 42 Newton meters of torque, which isn't the highest, but on a light bike like this, believe me, it is enough. They're really nippy. As the owner of this bike, Steve, just told me, they're very nippy bikes. And you can see the quality of the Hygge bikes just from the finish and the quality of the frame, the equipment. It has folding pedals, just click that and they fold down. That's a really nice feature. We've just done the video of it folding up, which you'll see. It comes with lights, hydraulic brakes, as I said, comes with mud guards, comes with the rear rack, can have a basket as well. Got the seat post battery, which is really tidy. That's a thing now on bikes, particularly this bike. So yes, that is the Hygge Virum. Okay, so now let's have a look at how it folds up and goes into a motorhome with Steve. Hi, okay, so now we're going to just fold it up, put it in the van so you can see how easy that is. Okay. You just release the clip on the frame, fold the pedals up, flip it round. It's got a magnet on the back. And the handlebars have to be dropped down like such. Okay. And then it's ready to carry. You see it's, as Steve was saying, relatively light for an electric bike. You can see straight in the back of the van, and he actually gets two in there without any problem at all. So it is that simple. Thanks for watching. If you need help choosing the perfect electric bike for your motorhome adventures or any other adventures, please do get in touch. Visit www.bikeventures.co.uk.